What's going on, guys? Greg here and welcome back to the shop. And in today's video, we're checking out an affordable custom set of taillights for all 08 to 17 Mitsubishi Lancers and Evolutions from one of the leaders in aftermarket lighting, Spec-D tuning. And these right here are their matte black fiber optic LED taillights. So if you own an EVO or a Lancer, you have been searching for the perfect set of taillights to upgrade from your outdated factory taillights, you gotta check out these matte black LED taillights from Spec-D. Now, like I mentioned earlier, these Spec-D taillights are designed to fit all 08 to 17 Mitsubishi Lancers and Evolution sedans, but unfortunately, guys, they will not fit the Sportback models. Now, style is a huge motivator to purchase a set of custom taillights, and these Spec-D taillights have a ton of it. The ones that I have with me today are going to be their matte black housing with clear lens. But Spec-D also offers this exact same light in other colors, such as a gloss black housing with smoke lens and even a black housing with red lens. This is going to mean that you have plenty of options to choose from to perfectly complement your car exactly how you want it. But let's be honest, the real reason that you want a set of custom taillights is for the cool lighting features. And for these lights, the most prominent feature by far is this killer looking LED bar around the entire perimeter of the light. This bar illuminates in a bright red color, providing a menacing look for your running lights, and it gets even brighter when you hit the brake. Now, when your turn signals are active, a subtle yet stylish series of individual LEDs illuminate to indicate your turning direction. And when you throw it in reverse, another series of individual LEDs light up bright white so you can easily see what's behind you when backing up at night. But most importantly, all these features together make a killer light that can completely transform the style and attitude of your Mitsubishi. Installing a set of these lights in your Lancer or EVO is an easy job that you can do yourself using only basic hand tools. Now, these lights are going to be completely plug and play and require no additional wiring to get them installed, and they're going to bolt right to the factory locations on your car. But if you do need some additional guidance or just want more installation information, head over to our YouTube channel right now and you can check out our in-depth installation video of these exact taillights showing you step by step how to get them bolted up to your car. Well, everyone, that's going to wrap up my review of Spec-D's matte black fiber optic LED taillights for all 08 to 17 Mitsubishi EVOs and Lancers. So if you're tired of rocking outdated factory lighting, head over to Carid.com right now to check out these killer Spec-D taillights for yourself. And while you're there, feel free to check out their extensive catalog of other great lighting accessories. And as always, I'm Greg from Carid.com, and I'll see you guys next time.